the display line is about 100 feet in aircraft mode. But we'll soon see the transformation. Those huge, particularly useful for the long-range special operations role that this CV-22B model performs. Transition into helicopter mode with those rotors in those huge nacelles tilting. It's a joint venture between enhanced way, and also this aircraft very, very capable, even hot and high, of climbing above 3,000 feet. Model performs long-range missions in support of US Special Operations Command forces. It infiltrates those forces into the battle zone, resupplies them once they're there, and then exfiltrates them afterwards. It's got a combat radius of 500 nautical miles with a single intern. And interestingly, the pilots are able to use the Osprey's tilt rotor capabilities to assist in their low-level missions, because in more restrictive terrain, the rotors can be tilted upwards and the aircraft slowed to help it make tighter turns and stay lower over terrain. But the aircraft's performance also gives the option of flying above ground levels. So that was the final pass by the Bell Boeing CV-22B Osprey of the 7th Special Operations Squadron of the US Air Force at Mildenhall.